Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are continuing to solve of HackerRank Python preparation. The next challenge is find the runner-up score. So let's start it. It's going to let's wait a second for me to delete the history. Alright. It is going to give us a list of numbers. First, it's going to tell us how many numbers, for example 5 numbers. Then it's going to give them a list of them, and it wants us to find the biggest number, the second biggest number. For example, in this case the biggest number is 6 and the second after it is 5, so we are going to output the 5. Alright. In the right side you can see that it has already handled the inputs for us, so let's just jump right into the code. First I like to convert this array to a list. So r is equal to list of r, because its data type is map, but it's easier for me to work with the list instead of map object. Alright. After that I should maybe sort that array, and what I'm writing, it should be right r.sort. Alright. After that we sorted it, we should eliminate duplicate values. For example, we have double sixes here, so we should get rid of one of them. So I define a new list and I call it new r, and it should be empty for now. And the next line we use the Python comprehension that we learned in the previous challenge, and using it we write down, for example, new r dot append x for x in r if x not in new r. So what this line of code does is very simple. It checks and iterate through all items in R. This is our first array, first list, and puts and adds every item to the new R. But if that item has already been added and appended to the new R, it is simply ignored. So now we have our new R, which is sorted and all duplicate items are removed from it, and we just only need to write down the runner-up score, the second biggest number. So we write down print and new r -2. This means that we are counting the index from end of our list. For example, if our list is 2, 5, 7, 10, 11, -1 points to this and -2 points to this. It means the second number from the end. Alright, let's clear extra stuff and submit our code to check if everything is alright. While this is happening, I should remind again that all of the codes are available in my GitHub in the YouTube repository, all codes, videos and problems. Let's come back here, and it has checked and everything is alright. Alright guys, it was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.